Checking out our current conditions, we have mostly sunny skies, looking at the satellite and the radar clouds up to the north of us today, and temperatures warming nicely already in the lower 60s. We can see those winds coming in from the south and west direction. You can see how that's pulling in some of the warmer conditions where we have winds over parts of southeast Canada and into parts of upstate New York. You notice it's cooler because of the wind actually coming in out of the north. So wind direction key for us, and that southwest wind will keep us in that very mild air mass as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon. But you start to see a little more cloud cover the further west you travel, and that is a sign of things to come, as our next system is just starting to develop across the western plain states, and it's going to be a slow moving system kind of cut off from the main jet stream, which means it's not going to be like the last system that got in and out of here. This one will get here and just kind of hang out for a few days and give us a more unsettled weather pattern as we go throughout the rest of the work week. So again, yesterday we officially began the first day of spring with the sun's direct rays, which will end up right over the equator, which at that point we have pretty much equal daylight and darkness all across the globe. But as we go through the coming months, from now until, of course, the summer solstice on June 21st, the sun's direct rays will start to shift north of the equator into the northern hemisphere. So that, of course, means for us more daylight as we're tilted toward the sunlight. It also means warmer conditions heading towards summer. So obviously great things coming our way. As we look weather-wise, though, temperatures will look great today. In fact, feeling really mild for this time of the year. Temperatures should be in the upper 60s, falling down to the 40s tonight. Technically a very weak cold front coming down, which is why we're going to be cooler heading into Tuesday morning as those winds kind of shift around more out of the east direction. Tomorrow, that east wind with cloud cover will keep us cooler in the 50s across the area. And then those winds come back out of the south on Wednesday with temperatures again, much like today, well into the 60s, but it will come with rain. Looking at our SKYCAST, we see very great weather through this evening. So if you have evening plans, no issues, no concerns of any rain. That rain's still far away from us west of the Mississippi River. But watch how it starts to build overnight tonight and starts to spread east by tomorrow morning just after sunrise. Already some light showers knocking on our door and some scattered light showers around the area, just kind of spitting at us from the south and west tomorrow. And we'll see more in the way of rain Tuesday night. And as we head into Wednesday, still continuing this unsettled theme. We see those scattered showers across the area, even some sunshine trying to break out as we warm up, and that could create some instability for a few thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. An isolated strong storm not out of the question. And looking towards Thursday, again, the system's still not totally done with us yet. By then, the rain's going to be very light after Wednesday, but it's still going to be a little pesky at times. And we're also going to see a temperature trend that's going downward here. So temperatures, as we go further here through the first week of spring, will actually start to feel a little bit more like a late winter heading towards the weekend. So we see temperatures down to the 40s, and fingers crossed we'll finally see a dry and sunny day, hopefully by Sunday.